What's up, peeps? So here I am, a real ass vlogger. So I'm gonna film my journey to bleach my hair. So I have no clue how it's gonna end up. I just went and bought a bunch of stuff because I'm in Denmark now, and the price for like hair color or balayage or highlight or whatever, it is next level expensive. So I just thought, you know what? I'm just gonna get this stuff myself and do it myself. So let's see how it end up. Shit, I didn't know how to stop it. Okay, so like I said, we're gonna bleach my hair today. I'm gonna show you what I bought, the product I got, I guess. And yeah, also, like I said, I'm in Denmark and I kind of got everything, but most of it is in Danish. So yeah, but it's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. I'm basically Danish. Okay, so here's my product. This is the bleach powder, and then these are my developer. Sorry, I'm really bad at saying that freaking word, but I'm French speaking. I'm not English speaking, so that explains a bit. So yeah, these are the developers for this. I got two, because who knows if I'm gonna fuck up everything, so I have two. The toner, and I got it in 903 gold milkshake, my bowl, and my gloves. So that is, I think, everything I needed. I didn't get like a brush or anything because, well, I didn't want to pay for that, and I was like, I can do that with my hands, I guess. So yeah, now let's mix it and start, I guess. Okay, so we are at the part of mixing process. So I will do that and I'll come back when it is mixed, because I don't feel comfortable enough to talk and do the mix at the same time. So see ya. Okay, so I changed, obviously, because bleach, whatever. I'm kind of following Brad Mondo's guide to help me through the process of bleaching my hair, and I made a list so it can help me. And according to him, the first step is to prepare, so like separating whatever, my hair in 4 sections, which I will do now. I have fucking crazy hair, but I looked in the back and it looks pretty straight, so that's good. So now let's do the part. I'm not sure about all that. Is that in the middle? Yeah, okay. Now I'm supposed to like go on the apex of my head. I have no clue what it is. It's like the highest point in my head, but how am I supposed to find that place? I guess it's somewhat here, and go behind your ears. One ear. That doesn't work. I have like 2 pieces of hair here and like way too much in the back. Brad, why are you not here to help? Is it normal that there's way more hair here than in the back? Okay, I'll just try to figure it all out myself, and I'll come back. Okay, I really try hard and it really doesn't work well. Like, nothing is really clear and shit, but I think I did like, I think I might have done okay for this section. Okay, so my stupid ass just looked at the footage I just did, saying that it was fine, I think, or at least okay. And I just realized that my line is not even in the middle of my freaking head. So I need to start again. Take two. Well, two. I think now I did it. Let's do a little show. I don't know. Is it okay? I'm such a mess, and I'm really stressing out with how it's gonna end up. I am now at the point where there is no turning back, okay? So I did my mixture thing. Let's start. I'll start in the back. And also, I'm not gonna touch the roots now because if you have ever watched Brad Mondo, you definitely know that. But the scalp is warmer, so it's gonna process faster. So you shouldn't touch your roots like at the same time as the rest, because this will take longer. So go. What do you consider being the roots? I don't know. I guess this. I think I'm supposed to put more than that. Oh my god, that shit is fucking stressful. I'm like shaking. I'm so scared to fuck it up. If I do, I'll just start again. YOLO. I just don't want patchy hair. I'm gonna do fine. I'm gonna do great. It's gonna be amazing. Believe in you. Believe in you. Okay. Is that enough bleach? Yeah, I think it is. That's what it is for the first section. And also, I'm losing a lot of hair. Am I supposed to put them in a bun or something? I don't know. I won't. Oh no, schnitzel. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. Ugh, I hate that it's touching my neck. It's cold. Should I use that? Doesn't change much. Oh no. Everything's fine. I didn't put bleach anywhere. Like for real. I sound so sarcastic, but I'm serious. To any hairdresser looking at this right now, I am extremely sorry. Or, well, maybe not. Am I doing bad? Like, really, am I doing, like, really bad? Or am I okay? Oh well. I guess we'll see at the end. Maybe the process is shit and it's gonna turn well. Maybe like, what I'm doing is great, but then it's gonna turn like shit. I don't know. YOLO. Anyway, I'm not working right now because coronavirus. But, oh yeah, I'm doing nothing. So even though I fuck up my hair, honestly, it's not the end of the world right now because is this enough? It is enough. The worst thing is like the bleach to touch my neck in the back right now. Like burning. Is this the last? Yep. Should I even color? Like maybe I should. Maybe it would be nice. That's it for the back. It's already lightning. Now let's attack the front, which is gonna take like 2 seconds and a half because I don't have much. Okay. God. Oh me. Oh shit. Oh. It is now root time, I guess, and my hair are already freaking blonde. Okay, how do I do that? My scalp is burning. Fun process, love it. Whoop. So now I'm done, like, putting on all the bleach, and honestly, I don't know how it looks in the back. Let me see. I don't think I missed any spot from what I can see. And also, like, what I've read is that, oh, I have some bleach all over. I am sorry. My hair is already white in the back, so I think I'm gonna, like, rinse it now, but just the back. Now I just put, like, a plastic wrap on the part that I just did, and I'm gonna rinse the back. So I'll do that now because I'm scared that my hair are gonna fall out. Bye! Okay, so I just rinsed the back, and I'll try to show you, and I just rinsed it. Like, I didn't put any shampoo or anything. I just wanted to get rid of the bleach as fast as possible. So I think it's fine, and it looks extremely, like, white. So I should be okay with my toner afterwards. So fingers crossed. I just came out of the shower. I didn't look in any mirror. My hair are under there. So I don't even know how it looks like. Oh God. Woo! That is some yellow hair. Wow. That's how I look right now. I went to the store to change my toner because I'm putting the toner in, and I hope there's not really any, like, way of putting it, like, let's hope I picked the right color too. Like I said, the first one I picked was called Gold Milkshake. Just, like, you know, before applying it, I was like, I'm just gonna go check on YouTube or, like, Google and stuff like this. And, like, right now my hair is kind of a bit yellow, so I was just scared it would turn, well, stay yellow. I said yellow way too much, but cold beige, golden, or more something like ash tone. It doesn't say much. Like, how can your hair be gold and beige at the same time, and ash and gray? Like, decide. So yeah. That is not really healthy, but do it. Okay, people. So I don't know why, but the toner kind of fuck up everything, kind of. So I'll wait for my hair to dry so we can see the real color. Yeah, I'm a bit disappointed for now. Help. Hello, we are the next day. And this is how it looks after the fabulous toner that was not the right shade. And yeah, so now I got some purple shampoo, and I'm gonna go in the shower, put that on, let it sit. So maybe I'll get rid of the yellow, orange, or whatever, that shit. To be continued. What's up? We are the next day of the next day. Whatever. We are Sunday. I started the process Friday, and now we are Sunday. So yesterday I did my purple shampoo, which helped. It's not as yellow except here, which is bad. I'm still gonna fix it. I'm still gonna try to find a way to fix it. But for now, this is how it looks. This is how it's gonna be and stay for a little bit. That's it for my hair transformation shit, whatever. And yeah, thanks for watching.